How to make the bokeh effect the easiest way. Here we have this photo. Duplicate it, go to first layer, go to select and mask, hit select subject, and boom. Bro, I love this AI tool. It saves so much time, I can't describe how much I love it. Make some adjustment here. This is good. Hit OK. Mask the layer. Now go to the first layer, hit Ctrl and select the mask. Now we need to modify this one. Go to select, modify, expand. Here with this photo I'm going with 40, hit OK, then go to edit and hit content aware fill. Let the Photoshop do its work, hit OK. Now you have these two layers. Merge them and deselect. Now we need to add the blur and the bokeh effect. So go to filter, blur gallery and select tilt shift. What we need to do, if we need to blur the whole image, we drop this down or up like this. Then add some blur and just play with the light bokeh like this and play with the light range. Till you have perfect one. This is cool. Hit OK. And boom, there you have it, the bokeh effect. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more and have fun.